Hey y'all, welcome back. It's time for grocery haul. Let's jump right in. Alrighty, you guys, a lot going on. The dishwasher did not go last night because we didn't have pods. So I have pods now, so the dishwasher is going. It is just a regular grocery week. I think I spent a little bit over $100, right? Just a little tiny bit over 100, but I got a big piece of meat that Jackson wanted, and that was his meat, so it would have been right at $100. I'm gonna turn my camera around and show you what I got this week. Food Line had really good deals. It was like buy two get one free, and so I shopped specifically the ad, and that worked out real good for us. And so what I'm gonna do is, again, turn my camera around, show you all what I got, and then we're gonna cook a little dinner together. Jackson is working on cutting up the green beans we got out of the garden, and so we're gonna be having some green beans. We're gonna be doing unstuffed peppers tonight, so I'm gonna bring you guys along as I make those, because we got those out of the garden, and I can show you just a few pictures of what we got out of the garden, and that's for dinner. So let me show you a couple things, and then I'll show you the grocery haul. All right, you guys, I'm sharing with you guys this WowCatch. It's a flying insect light trap. So our company reached out to me and asked me, would we like to try this? And I had been wanting to try a different brand, but that brand was a little bit more expensive than what I was willing to pay for it. And so this is going to be good for fruit flies, house flies, gnats, and more. It's people and pet friendly. Of course, you know we got to have people and pet friendly items in our house because we have the dogs. And so up here, I usually keep a night light. And we do sometimes have overripe bananas. So I'm going to open this up and see if I can get it installed. Let me get it opened, and then I'll show you guys it installed. So it's much bigger than what I thought. This is the main case, right? And then this is the part that goes into the wall. So this is going to sit on top of that. Now it's all in. And then these are your fly traps. So let me see if I can't pull the trap part, the sticky part off, so that it can work. So what you do is you just pull this this little wrapper thing, and it exposes the little stickies on the inside. It's pretty, it's sticky now. Whatever gets in there is gonna be got for real. Okay. Hard to do it with one hand, but I'm giving it my best effort, right? Okay. All right. And then I'm gonna stick it on top. So that is inside. So that is the sticky part. Whatever is flying around, it will get caught. And then we put it in, and it has that little blue tint. I need to wipe off this wall, but don't tell nobody. Okay. I really do need to come in here and clean real well, because some people cook and they don't notice that they splash and all that. So anywho, I'm going to leave a link down below. If anybody's interested in this, you can find it from the link. There it is. All right, now here's to the grocery haul. Okay, let me start over here, since this is just the cleaning stuff or the household. I still don't have a category for household items, but I'm going to add that in next month. 2 things of toilet paper, 1 thing of paper towels. It was a buy 2 get 1 free. So I bought 2 toilet papers, got a paper towel free. We needed casket. We needed pods. Bubba, did you open this? There's no pod in there. Who started it? She said there wasn't no pods. Maybe she found one. Maybe she found one. Okay, so that's all the household stuff. Then I was getting some meat, and just happened to see these buffalo chicken patties. I'm trying to increase proteins. You get 33 grams of proteins from 1 patty. So 33 grams of protein. I'm going to take that because I'm trying to increase my protein. Eggs, I picked up eggs. This is the meat that Jackson wanted for carne asada. Carnitas. Birria, something of that nature. Birrias or carnitas, one of those. So this was on sale, 99 cents a pound. It's regular $22. We got it for $9.37. Then I had bought some ground turkey because I was trying to just stay more lean. But I brought the turkey home, took it out of the bag, and it smelled horrible. I said, there's no way I'm about to spend $12 on meat that smell bad. So I took it back and just happened to see these marked down 85.15 ground beef. And this does not smell at all. So they were all about $3 to $4, and I picked up 5 packs of those. Gonna cook a couple pounds tonight, put everything else in the freezer. Picked up some of this chicken of the sea just because I like to take tuna for lunch. It's quick, it's easy. And so it was buy 2 get 1 free, and they were 86 cents each. Then I happened by the deli section. Don't typically go by there, but I seen or saw this ham and American cheese deal. So you get some ham and cheese, $4.80, regular $6.99. Jackson wanted a bottle of water, picked that up because I picked him up from track. Conditioning for track has started. Picked up this hot sauce so I can make some hot honey sauce. I've been doing some cold brew, which I like because it's a way for me to get some protein in. I'll show you the protein powder that I'm using. Sister bought it. She didn't love it. It's been sitting in there, and I'm like, Lord, I need some protein. And he was like, cold brew coffee. So I got this decaf cold brew. I used about 6 ounces of this with 2 scoops of protein powder, a little bit of creamer, and some of the sugar-free syrups. And I've made cold brew coffee. Needed some creamer, so I picked up this chocolate caramel. Almond milk, I'm going to try to use a little bit of almond milk in there just so I can not have to use so much creamer, and I don't have to use so much coffee either. So I'm going to use maybe 4 or 5 ounces, 6 ounces, a couple of tablespoons, and protein powder is going to give me some coffee. These potatoes, Yukon Gold potatoes, which I love absolutely, were on sale for $2.49. $2.49, I believe, or $2.99, something like that. So I picked up 2 of those. And then these Gala apples were on sale for $2.49. Chobani flips were 4 for $5. And then these Amy Lou's breakfast bites, you get 6 of these for 17 grams of protein, which I typically don't eat breakfast, and I don't have to eat this for breakfast. I can just take it to work and have it as my mid-afternoon, mid-morning snack. It's a chicken sausage, white cheddar cheese, and uncured bacon, which Amy Lou's is a good brand. You see that at Costco quite a lot. So I picked it up. I didn't know that they had that brand. I just saw it in the circular for today. And so this is what I got for the grocery haul. Again, I'm going to be having these for lunches, just plain. I don't have any bread or anything like that. But I think I'm going to put some ham and cheese with it. That'll give me some extra proteins. This will be for Sunday meal. Cooking 2 of these tonight because we're going to have people over for Sunday suppers. Cooking 2 of the meats, the ground beef tonight. And I think I'm also going to get some potatoes cooked, and we'll have that as a base. I'm making unstuffed peppers. Let me put you guys up on a tripod and you can cook with me. Okay, so this is the premium protein that I'm using. It's 30 grams of protein for 2 scoops, and it's only 3 grams of carbs. So this is a good one for me to use. And like I said, sister had bought it, but then she decided it wasn't kind of her jam. So I asked her if I could have it, and she said I could. So I'm having it.
Mom.
Yeah.
2 things. 2 new seasons came out.
Who?
2 new seasons came out.
Of what?
Heartland
Oh, okay.
and SWAT.
Oh, is it out now?
I watched Heartland, the first one.
Oh, okay.
First episode was mine.
What about Squad?
I didn't watch it. I just watched it.
Jackson, you go peppers. Peppers. Just rinse them and give them to me. Okay, here's more eggs where we can put them. Let me just put this a bit. Get that, whatever that is. Whatever.
Boy.
Here. All right, y'all, so these are the green beans that I got out of the garden. Jackson's peeled them. He's popped the ends off, washed them up for me. And I'm gonna put them in a pot. I'm just gonna let them boil. I don't have any, I got a little bit of bacon grease down here, but I don't have a lot of stuff. So I'm just gonna let them boil in some salt water, and then I'm gonna toss them in some oil with maybe a little garlic. I don't have any Parmesan cheese, but that's what that's gonna be. I've got my peppers peeled, and I'm gonna get ready to turn that on. These green beans are such a pretty color. I've got yellow wax, and I have some regular greens. Okay, all right. I like the purple ones, the royal purple ones as well. So I'm gonna put some salt in that. Just some salt to let them boil. Okay. All right, in this pan, I have peppers, and I'm gonna put 2 pounds of brown round in there, or the 85-15. And I'm gonna put it in there while the peppers are not cooked, so that everything can cook at the same time. And meanwhile, we're still cleaning as we go. Trying anyway. It's 6:30, I gotta teach at 8. I'm going to season all of this meat, and I will strain off the juices when it's all done. Seems like a lot of salt, but that's 2 pounds of meat. Pepper. Garlic. Chili powder. cinnamon. I'm gonna let this all cook, and then once it's cooked down, I'll be right back. Alrighty, y'all, so I had a lot of distractions, so I couldn't share with y'all what I did. So I got the peppers and the meat cooked, right? Then I added in a bag of cauliflower because I don't have cauliflower rice. So I just added in cauliflower to pretend it's rice because I didn't want to add in rice. On top of that, I added in some corn salsa. I added in some onion jam, and then I added in some tomatoes that I canned, plus a thing of diced tomatoes and one with chilies, a can of diced tomatoes with chilies. Typically in a unstuffed pepper, you would stuff everything, and then you would put like a tomato sauce over everything and bake it in the oven. I was looking for tomato paste. I didn't have tomato paste, so I just kind of made it with what I had, right? So I'm gonna let that just cook, meld together. I've got some cream cheese I'm gonna add. My green beans are done doing what they're doing in this pot. And for right now, I'm gonna fold some clothes, and when this is done, cooked down, then I will add the cheese and it will be ready to eat. Alrighty, you guys, so here is the unstuffed peppers all done, except I don't have cheese for the top. The kids are gonna bring some cheese for me because I forgot cheese, but there it is, and there is dinner. I think I'm just gonna leave those green beans the way they are. Whoever wants to eat them will eat them, and if they don't, oh well. But there that is for dinner tonight. Alrighty, you guys, I just folded a big load of laundry. I'm tired, and it really is time for all of God's children to go to bed, including me. So I'm gonna call it a vlog there. Ooh, the kids just went to Jackson need to get some stuff from Walmart. So Shamika took him to Walmart. She's leaving tomorrow. Whew, praise the Lord. Anywho, there that is. I just want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. Let me see if I can get some light. There we go. Thank y'all for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to share, subscribe, do all the things, and we'll see you guys next time.